Hey everybody, I just got an email from my Nakamichi contact letting me know that the Nakamichi Dragon 11.4.6 home theater system is now available on Amazon. That's right, now it is way more convenient to order your Dragon, and on top of that, it will ship within 3 days of it being ordered. So no more waiting for them to actually manufacture your Dragon before they actually send it out to you. Within 3 days, it will start to ship to you. But I still believe this is only available in the United States. So sorry for those who are elsewhere in the world. Obviously, this is a good sign that they are trying to expand into other markets all around the globe. But for those in the United States, it is now on Amazon. There's a link in the description. Please click on that link in the description. It helps support my channel at no extra cost to you. But this is very exciting news because they have obviously caught up with all the orders and now it is more readily available and it'll arrive way quicker than it ever did before. So get yours today. Click on the link in the description. Have fun. And thank you to my Nakamichi contact for letting me know about this wonderful news that I can share with you all. Happy shopping, everyone!